Hello, my name's Alex Gordon and I'm Head of Modern Foreign Languages here at ArtsEd. We find that the French A-level syllabus, which we follow, which is the EdXL one, lends itself particularly well to students who are very interested in the arts because it has many culturally based components. The course aims not only to get you to speak fluent French, but the course aims to teach you to speak concisely and articulately and to structure essays well in the language. Now, in the French A-level, there are 4 overall themes. The first one is called Les changements dans la société française. Now, that thing involves looking at things like change in the structure of families, family values, the role of marriage, gay marriage, the rise of feminism, the role of work, economic changes in life in general. The second one is called La culture politique et artistique dans les pays francophones. Now, that is about cultural figures in the French-speaking world, the importance of music, the importance of other forms of art, and how they've influenced French-speaking culture. The third one is particularly of interest to people who are doing other humanities A-levels. That's L'immigration et la société multiculturelle française. So that looks at immigration and the positive impact of immigration in France and other French-speaking countries. The final one is called L'occupation et la résistance. Now that taps into a lot of 20th century history. You will learn about all those themes and all the sub-themes that go with them. The course has excellent prospects for university. It's very highly regarded to A-level. To have an A-level in the language is extremely valued by university admissions departments. And it sits very well with other subjects. Look forward to meeting you.